Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we're taking a look at a very interesting travel adapter that you can take with you on your go. So if you're like me and travel quite a lot for the purpose of like what I do on YouTube, or if you travel a lot as you want to get out there and explore the world, this little product here from iBlockCube might just be the right one for you. So today I'm going to get it unboxed and we're going to go through its key details and show you how it works. So it comes in this nice carry case here, and it does have iBlockCube on there. As you might remember, we did have a look at an extension lead from them previously on the channel, and I will link that in the description, and also you will see a video card up here to go and check that out. So it comes in this little carry case, which is nice. So unzip this here, take that out first of all, that's our product. Then you have your warranty card, and make sure always register for your warranty. You also have a QR code there, and obviously it gives you the steps then to go and register your warranty. Then moving on, you get a little booklet. So very small here. I've actually taken some photographs so I can actually read this. And this is where all of your information will be on here. And it goes through the different options that you can use with this adapter here. Like I said, you've got your nice little carry pouch there. So setting that to the side, let's have a look at our adapter. So taking it out, the first thing you're going to notice is 4 USB 3s here. Then also, if I turn to the side, you've got a USB-C, and we have some sliders, which are interesting. Then you have your multiple range of sockets here, which we're going to talk about. Coming around to the side, you've got a release switch here for actually allowing your different adapters to come in and out. And then this side is where you're actually going to plug in your main plug. So say I had my MacBook Air plug or my Xbox plug, which is a UK 3-pin plug, that will just slot into here straight away. So there is 8 different holes for different sockets that can go into here. It will work with US, EU, UK and Australia, and then obviously other countries that use them connections. So it depends where you're going, and obviously I can go through a bit of a list a little bit later on and we can have a little bit of a discussion. But say we want to use one of these, let's just push this all the way out. So there is our Europe plug, and then what you do is you turn this back around and you see this switch here. Press this in and then it can be pushed back in. So that is like your locking switch as well. So then we can actually slide out another one. So that is our UK 3-pin plug there, which is really handy to use. Again, press that button. So I'm pressing that button on that side, and then make sure they're all back into place. And then finally, so that is a US version, but if you want to use an Australian version, you just twist them slightly diagonally and then you can see a difference there. So if I just turn these around, you can see the slight differences then. Again, pressing that button will take it back in. It doesn't matter as well because you can plug all 4 of them into here as well. So you can plug in US, EU, UK and Australian, which is a really good option to have, and a really handy, small, compact way of actually traveling around. But then you get extra added with the USB-C, and also you get your 4 USB 3s here, which is awesome. There's so many different options that you can use. So you can charge 5 different devices, and it does have a total output as well. And obviously it depends what devices you are connecting. But looking forward to seeing how well this works. It seems to work really well. So one thing this comes with as well is this spare fuse. So underneath this little cap here, there is a spare fuse, and in your instructions it shows you how to use your spare fuse, which is really handy. So let's test it out. So I've got a UK 3-pin plug here. So top pin goes in first, then the bottom 2. So then obviously this is a EU adapter and other adapter as well, but it just shows how well it works and then connects. So it is a EU one. So if I pull out my EU plug here, there you go, it slots into the EU one, which obviously will go into a UK one, but it just depends which way you want to do it. So the choice is yours. It's actually quite endless. So press that button. Always remember to press that button to pull these back. Don't try and push them back because it does have a locking mechanism. Then also I've got a EU plug here, which is a 2-pin plug that I've just shown you, but that can also fit into here as well. So that snaps into there. Obviously, if I had a US and an Australian plug, I could then show you. I might have to get the adapters to show you during the review, but it's just nice to have that option here, as I would use that one to plug into the UK. But now I can use this one, plug this in. This plugs into my Google Home Mini, so I can listen to my Google Home Mini, but I could then also charge my devices either via USB-C or USB 3. So the one USB-C that's on this side here is 3 amps. And then coming around to this side where you've got your 4 USB 3s, each single one is 2.4 and the total max is 5.6. So amps, that is. So that tells you what you can power. Obviously, it tries to give a good power delivery system to your devices no matter what you're using. It has a high charging speed and charge 5 devices simultaneously, which is really impressive itself. And it has a smart IC chip. That's what I was just discussing there, that it will give the right power delivery depending on the device. The product is suitable for most electronic devices up to 1840 watts at 230 volts and 880 watts at 110 volts, so that's helpful to know. Then obviously that will be a whole range of different devices as well that we use. This is really good for when I travel and go abroad with my events, and obviously I'm going off to Germany very soon for Ether 2019, and we'll be taking this away with us, and I'll be showing you how well it works when I'm actually out there. But it's really nice that iBlockCube sent this through to us. Really pleased and very grateful for them doing so. But when you do travel as well, you can use these in multiple different areas. So the US plug also works in Canada, Japan and Taiwan. The Australian plug also works in China mainland, Australia and New Zealand. The UK plug works in UK, Singapore, and then finally the EU plug is throughout Europe, and then in Germany, Denmark, Finland, France, and multiple different EU countries use the EU plug here, and that is being the one I will use the most when I travel to Ether 2019 with Huawei. So I'm looking forward to seeing how well this works. If you do have any questions or any queries, please drop a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks always for watching. From me, Ricky, and the iBlockCube travel adapter, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.